In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to inches here in InDesign. Now, once you have InDesign open like this, we want to come to more presets. Then this is where we can change to inches. Now, by default, it's going to say millimeters, but if we click on there, we now have lots of different options. And if we look just here, this is where we can choose inches. So if we click on there, we can then choose the width and the height of the inches that we want to use. Now with me, I always use 8.5 times 11, so that's why this has popped up. But let's say we want to change this to a 6 by 9. We can simply come in, change 8.5 to 6, just like that. Then we can change 9, just like that as well. Then when we hit create, it's going to take a second, just like that. And now we have our 6 by 9. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to change to inches here in InDesign. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.